Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. We have here 7 extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday, July the 1st, 2024. First one is the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 irregular puzzles. So yeah, too much. First one, 3 star Sudoku, number 8823 is a 3 stars Sudoku. Well, not quite a 3 stars because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has a lot, 31. Should be an easy one. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 8, 1, 3, okay. Yeah. 2. Need a 7 here. We have 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So 3 in the first row should be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. How about 6? 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 numbers? The other pair are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. So 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, let me see. Alright. How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in the row below? So last row, the only place level 3 should be there. The 3 in this row, the 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 3. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1, 1. 8, 8. Yeah. 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 9, 9. 4, 2. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. Last row, 4 numbers, the 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Need 6 there. Need 8 there. Need a 5 there. 8, 3, 1. Yeah. Need 8 there. Eight, 7. Come on. This is taking too long. Need 7 here. Need 7 there. Well, in this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 6 then, and that box should be a 7 then. Alright. 7, 4, 5. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this column could be here, could be there. 4, 5, 7. Need a 9 here. Okay. 9. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 4, need a 5. No, need a 5 here. Need an 8 there. And I need a 7 here. 7, 8, 4. So 7. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left, the 6 will be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 and 6, we have 6 now in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Do we have all the 6s? No. Need a 6 there. 6 and a 7, overlook the 6. 6 and a 7 is 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. From the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and I've eliminated here. The 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2, 2, okay. In the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. That means that that box cannot be a 7 anymore. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. We have all the 6s. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. So 1 digit left in this column. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. From us, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, here also 4 and 8. And I need a 9 here in this big square. We have a 9, yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in the, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So these 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 8. Here also 4 and the 8. So here need also 4 and 8, but we're missing that 1 here. Need a 1 here in the first column. Yeah. Well, in this row, we need a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left for 4 should be here then. So 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, so this box will be an 8. That box will be a 4. 4 or an 8. We have an 8 here, so this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left. Need an 8 here, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column and the only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between The middle row, the only place left on 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier. The 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8. Correct in 15 minutes. Well, cannot believe this. I hope I was faster than the 14-30 minutes. Not quite a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. But we solved it again. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.